what's going on, guys? So today I got my Sparco quick release in the mail. The one that's on the Lexus right now, I think it's broken. The balls inside, they weren't like hooking on the quick release, so I think that's dangerous. So I got myself some Sparco quick release. Let's check it out. And I also got this, came in the mail. It's a door actuator for the passenger side. It was broken, and the driver side's broken. Was broken. The driver side is like sort of fixed, but I'm fixing the passenger side today. Well, not today. I'm gonna bring it to my buddy's shop. See what he can do with it. I don't know how to fix door actuator and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Alright, let me get a box. So I have nuts and bolts. Also have it feels like, trust me, the video does no justice, but this feels way better than the other one. The other one felt like it was like really like cheaply made. I got it with the steering wheel. You only had to line it up like really well to put it back on. This one, I'm pretty sure you can just like clip it on and click it off. Let me see. I'm gonna try to see if I can do it one-handed. Come on. Alright, give me a second. Yep, there you go. I got this piece here. So this piece pretty much goes on the steering column, or the steering wheel knuckle, or whatever. It pretty much goes on the steering, and this goes on your steering wheel because it's a quick release. So, or I think it's vice versa. Yeah, this piece is a heavier piece, so I'm pretty sure this goes on the steering wheel, and this piece goes on your actual steering wheel. I'm confusing myself, but you know what I'm talking about. Like the actual knuckle for the center, just gonna bolt up on it, and yada yada yada. Yeah, I was just legit confusing myself. So yeah, back to what I was saying at the beginning. This piece goes on the knuckle, and this piece goes on your steering wheel, because this is the piece that you actually like you squish to pop the steering wheel off. So I got that out the way. I have this here. Bought it on eBay. It said it was new and all that, yada yada. But yeah, pretty much this is it. I got the new door actuator. It doesn't look new, but it said it was new. I hope everything works out well. It looks like everything is intact. So I think this weekend I'm going to my buddy Matt's shop. If you see my previous videos, I think, yeah, in the wintertime it's like a 335i that I was drifting with in the snow. Yeah, I'm going to his shop and he's gonna pretty much fix this for me. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the old steering wheel, and my buddy tried to put it on, but he didn't know how to put it on. So he was like turning it, but he grind some of the gears off. And if you can see inside, so the steering wheel not supposed to move like this. Like there's no way that's safe. So I got a new one, and yeah, this was the old setup. I didn't really like this one, but it came with the kit, so I just used it. So pretty much you have to line it up with like this big one right here, and you have to like look inside to see which one was the big one, which is this one here. actually slide it on, line it up, but he didn't know that. So I got the Sparco one. The Sparco one should fit way better. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is take this off and take this bottom piece off. So I'm going back to square one with the steering wheel. Take this off, take that off, and I'm gonna put this quick release on. Yeah. Alright guys, so clearly I wasn't paying attention and I messed up, so now I gotta take this shit all back off, because that's supposed to be up here and the car is pretty much straight. Yeah, the wheel is straight, so now rookie mistake. You know what, it's not even rookie mistake, it's just mistake because I put this on before. So now I gotta take this piece off. Good thing I don't have to take any of these bolts off here. I'm just gonna have to take these off and clock it.